It's time for another cool tools review. This time, let's take a look at the Surebonder Pro2 100 watt glue gun. For years, when something called for hot glue, I'd reach for this 14 watt mini glue gun. It's horrible. It takes forever to heat up, the built-in stand is practically useless, and you have to unplug it to turn it off. After researching my options, I settled on the Surebonder Pro2 as the best value and a step-up workshop glue gun. There are more expensive options, and I also purchased a $70 option that I'll compare this to later on in a Cool Tools video, but for around $30, this delivers a significant improvement over the craft store variety of glue guns. There's a built-in stand that actually works. You get a nice long 2-prong cord to work with. There's a power switch at the base of the handle so you can turn it off as soon as you're done instead of fiddling around to unplug it. It heats up faster. It takes a bigger 1/2-inch diameter glue stick, and it has nozzles that you can buy and swap out for more control. Another advantage to using a hotter gun like this is that most general purpose hot glues will take longer to cool down and set up, so you'll get a little bit more working time with it. You can also fall down the rabbit hole of different glue types: low heat, high heat, wood glue, colored glue. Now that I don't hate this thing, it's been fun to actually see what options are out there. My only complaint with this is that it would be nice if the heat were adjustable, and I wish the power switch lit up just for a little visual feedback. Otherwise, I'm thrilled with it, and I wish I'd upgraded sooner. You can pick up this same glue gun using the link in the description, and remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.